All right, today I'm going to make this quick video to explain to you why you do not have the results with women that you probably want when you're dating. Okay, now it's Saturday and it's my cheat day, so I got some nice Cheesecake Factory ice cream here. So what we're going to talk about today is shifting your focus from short-term thinking to a long-term time span. Okay, so what does that mean? Well, the reason why I can actually deliver this topic to you at a relatively good cadence is because of my understanding of life and not just think about business, not, we'll get to that in a second, of life, not just of dating, okay? So everything that I have done in my entire life was always looked at as a success or a failure based off the time that I spent putting in. We are talking 2-year increments, 3-year increments, 5-year increments, 8-year increments, okay? And I'm going to explain. So when I first started my fitness journey, when I was very, very young, okay, I went into my first ever workout program not thinking that this would be a 12-week get fit quick transformation and I'm going to look big and lean and shredded and strong. I went into it making the conscious decision that I am going to go to the gym for the next 10 years. Think about that. At that age, at the ripe age of 18, I made the conscious decision to say I would go to the gym every day for 10 years. I'm closing in on 20, I'm 26, I'll be closing in on 27 next year, okay? Over time, as I learned fitness and nutrition, I built my body. And it didn't happen in a day, it didn't happen in a week, it didn't happen in a month, it didn't happen in a year, okay? It happened over the accumulation. And every month I'd look just a little bit better until you turn into a brick house, okay? That's how you build a brick house foundation, one step at a time. So now let's apply this to my business. My first ever business was CZ Fitness, which was CaseyZanderHealth.com. And then it turned into Headman. Okay, what you see here on this channel is my main brand. Okay, and now I've shifted to a different YouTube channel called Zander Consulting for Business. Now, you might be sitting there wondering, oh my gosh, I came into this video to click because I want to learn how to date more women and I want to learn how to get better at women. And why isn't this guy talking about women? You don't understand the bigger picture, okay? Let me shift something to you so you experience this and you understand what I'm talking about. Having a long-term perspective, like when I built a brand, I told myself I'm going to spend the next 30 years building my brand. Think about that for a second. I told myself I didn't care about the outcome. I don't care if I make $1 million. I don't care if I make $5 million. I don't care if I make $10 million, $20 million, $100 million, $1 billion. I like to play the game of business. So what do? I chip away at it every single day, right? Every day I just work on my business. I love it. You guys, when it comes to your dating life, I'm going to take this topic in twofold. Not only do you not have any grit, not only are you weak, you're a weak-willed individual. If you're watching this video, chances are you have absolutely no grit. You know that you're soft, you know that you're mediocre, and you know that you're weak. Let's just call it as it is. Because you probably smoke something you shouldn't be smoking. Every weekend you drink something you shouldn't be drinking. You wonder why your life's shit. You wonder why you have no success. You wonder why every single year is the exact same. You wonder why, oh, when you go to the bar, hopefully you can just pull one and just, ooh, hopefully I get lucky. Like you have no sack, right? Sackless, like no grit. You won't stick anything out. You're not actually tough. Does that make sense? You're not actually a tough, strong-willed individual. So you give up quick. So when it comes to your dating life, you look at it as, oh, did she reply or did she not reply? Am I a good texter or am I a bad texter? Did she like me on the date? Did she not? Like, instead of, like, you have to take this in two aspects. Okay, first off, you have to actually make yourself a man, and specifically a man of value. That means the grit I've spent every day building my brand, building my body, having strong beliefs as to what I stand for, fortified me into the individual that I am today. So that way when I do go on a date, She senses that I'm not weak-willed. She senses there's dedication. She senses that I'm strong. And she senses that I'm not here to waste time and screw around. And I'm also not going to be the nicest, most polite dude because I just don't need to be. Okay? So, number one, I need to teach you real-life experience. There is no shortcut for that. If you have spent every day working your bogus 9 to 5 that you hate, you have no passions, you have no hobbies, you've never looked at anything as a long-term time horizon focus. You've never built your body or perfected a skill, perfected an art, perfected a craft. You haven't perfected anything. You have no idea how to sacrifice yourself to a higher purpose of actually being. And you're wondering why you can't get the chicks. The fortitude of masculinity and fortifying real-world experience is doing hard things. You can be the smartest guy in the world, and if you don't have any grit or any sack, you will not have any results in life. Doesn't matter. You need to learn how to be tough. And not just tough for a day or tough for a month. You need to know how to be tough for your entire life and never give up and keep chipping away at things. That's number one. Number two, once you've adapted that mindset, you have to go out in the field and practice. Notice something in this video. I don't say ha, he, like, kinda, sorta, maybe so. There's no filler words. I'm direct. I can speak. That comes from practice. So those of you who are bad at dating or bad at attracting women, you need to look at it just like how I did with fitness or with business or with anything. You say, I'm going to learn every day how to get better at my dating life for the next 10 years. And you need to commit. You need to do what scares you. Sometimes that might be saying the flirtatious thing, holding eye contact for an extra half second, smiling, asking for someone's number. Little things that people don't do. Actually emphasizing, putting day by day into your charisma, your tonality, learning seduction, learning emotional triggers that dating companions will actually respond to. So it's twofold. You have to put the time in, but you have to make yourself a man. And if you refuse to do that, you don't even deserve to have a companion because you're not bringing a whole lot to the table anyways. And then you sit there and wonder why you can't attract anybody. You have to understand, okay, dating, attraction, survival, and replication, your genes are not meant to carry on unless you can prove that they are worthy to do so. Like, survival of the fittest is a thing. You understand that. It's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be the hardest thing on planet Earth. Really think about that. That's how humans have gotten to where they are for 2,000 years and haven't went extinct. That's how we got to where we are. So this is the reason why you're actually crap with chicks. And this is something you need to fix.